purchasing something, but it was not out of the store. We actually ended up ordering this jacket right here off of belk.com. If you guys haven't heard of this store, check it out. They have a lot of sales on a lot of different brands. Ralph Lauren, True Religion, it goes on and on. I'm gonna try this on for you, huh? My favorite thing about the jacket, you guys, is probably the patches. It's like a Letterman jacket, the patches on the side right here. And no, my actual patch on the back is good. Y'all can see that. That is one of probably the dopest thing about the jacket. Now once again, like I said, these patches on the side are dope as well. And this jacket was, I think, like $2 something. But Belk was actually having a sale. I ended up catching this jacket like maybe $120, $130. So shout out to Belk. Belk.com. If you haven't went there before, shop there. They have a lot of steals, a lot of deals. So let me turn around and try to see this jacket one more time. Like I say, once again, the patches. The big patch right here on the chest and the one on the back. And definitely, once again, the ones on my arms, they definitely stood out to me. And the navy and red. Y'all know I'm a huge navy and red guy. So that being said, I'd like to say thank you to each and every one of you all for checking out this video. Happy New Year's to you guys. We're going to go into the new year. We're going to start it off with a bang. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ayy, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Chop a can of Twister, baby girl just wanna